Hello guys, so welcome back to my channel. My name is Nihal and today we are diving into something really exciting, okay? Introducing Nextcraft extension for VS Code. If you are a Next.js developer, you are in for a treat. So let's just check out how this extension works. Before we jump in, if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button and now let's get into it. With this extension, you can instantly generate code for divs, buttons, images, etc. and plus more. Okay. Plus, you can easily add CSS module class name for clean and maintainable styles. So let me just explain how this works. Okay. Imagine typing ncd and getting fully styled div with CSS class names like magic. It's that easy. This is a game changer for speeding up your development workflow. So let me just show you how to use Nextcraft. Open a JavaScript, TypeScript and JSX file in your VS Code. Start typing one of the snippet prefixes and hit tab to trigger the magic. Watch a snippet transform into a fully styled CSS module powered by HTML element customized to your liking and enjoy the smoother, exciting coding experience. You can also create Next.js specific tags, for example, image. Just type nc and then image. Here you have it. For more information, you can head over to Nextcraft Marketplace or you can search in the VS Code extension tab as well. And last but not least, Nextcraft is designed for you in mind to boost your productivity, to write cleaner code and build amazing web apps. So yeah, head over to your extension tab and download Nextcraft and let me know what your thoughts on it or how can I improve this extension.